I am so excited to show you 3 different ways that you can make toothpaste at home. These toothpastes are great for teeth whitening, they are fluoride free and they are so easy to make. I will show you 3 different ways: with coconut oil, without coconut oil, with and without bicarbonate of soda and bentonite clay. For the classic coconut toothpaste, all you need are 3 ingredients: coconut oil, calcium powder, and peppermint essential oil, and of course a container. 3 tablespoons of melted or soft coconut oil. Mine is a little bit hard, so I had to put it on top of a hot pot, and then it's melted. Add 3 teaspoons of calcium powder and stir really well. Then you can add the peppermint essential oil, and I put about 10-15 drops. Of course, if you want it a bit mintier, you can add a bit more. You wait until it gets to room temperature, and that's it. This was the first toothpaste I ever made, and I was so pleased immediately as I've seen results. My teeth got whiter and much stronger. The second one is a tooth powder, and this has become my favorite. All you need is bentonite clay. This is great for pulling out all the toxins from your mouth. And then of course calcium powder, bicarbonate of soda, which is optional, cinnamon powder, which will give a great taste, as well as cloves powder. Now don't worry if you don't have a powder, because I actually didn't have, as you can see, so I've just used a coffee grinder and I've turned them into powder. And of course 10-15 drops of peppermint essential oil and rosemary essential oil. So what I did with the cloves, I just put them in the coffee grinder and I grinded them to powder. There you go, you have the powder, and then just simply add everything in a bowl. The cinnamon and cloves, bentonite clay, calcium powder, and the essential oils. Please warning, never use metal when you are handling bentonite clay. And then obviously you stir everything really well until it's all mixed up, and that's it, it's all done. I like to use a little glass jar to store the tooth powder. This tooth powder is so flavorful, you are going to love it. And that's it. Now I'm going to show you how I try it. This is so lovely. It has an amazing taste. And that's it. Tooth powder done. Now if you prefer a toothpaste that you can actually squeeze, this is the recipe. All you need is calcium powder, coconut oil, again bentonite clay and bicarbonate of soda, which are optional, distilled water, essential oil, and obviously a squeezable container. combine everything except bentonite clay, and it should never be in contact with a metal, and use a mini blender or a hand processor and just mix everything together. You do have to have a little bit of patience, and then add the bentonite clay, mix it all up, and you are done. You just need to then pour it in a squeezable container and use it as a normal toothpaste.
Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Let me know if